Welcome to Budapest, a city where tradition meets innovation. Here, in the heart of Europe, is Arbor Talent.
15 years I have been working with national and international programs. Our focus is on school and vocational projects, but we are also active in youth and other fields, for example in institutional development. Arbor Talent was born for helping individuals and institutions.
Since our inception, we have proven that our dedication knows no bounds. We have assisted companies, organizations, and other institutions, with hundreds of national and international projects successfully completed. Arbor Talent is committed to preparing and implementing mobilities, internships, and other educational programs for students and professionals. Among many other activities, we conduct vocational training, internships tailored to our clients' needs. We ensure the placement of practical work locations that meet professional expectations. For teachers and other professional staff members, we organize job shadowing and training courses. For Erasmus Group, we offer quality rooms and daily meals, ensuring a high standard of comfort and convenience. Our service covers the organization of airport transport, local transport, or even day trips. We believe intercultural experience and social interaction is essential. We organize cultural and leisure programs that enrich the experience of all participants. At Arbor Talent, your development is our priority. Join us and discover how we can help you achieve success. Arbor Talent, where talent meets possibility.